from Sarah's stellar career. Join us as Sarah reminisces about some of the special people and moments in her life.
Ayan, yung mga dalawa kong magagandang kapatid. Siyempre, namimiss ko yung mga kapatid ko po. No? Kasi yung isa kong kapatid, nasa abroad, nagtatrabaho doon, nag-aaral doon. Yung isa kong kapatid dito, ganun din. Ang challenge ng buhay namin, bilang matatanda na rin, tumatanda na kami lahat, nagkakaroon na kami ng sarili-sarili mga buhay. Hindi ko mapagkakailan, namimiss ko sila. Parang ako yung nanalo, di ba po? Okay. Oo, hindi kasi totoo naman yun eh. Yung victory ni Jason is parang victory ko rin. Lalo na nung date na yan, March 1, yan po ako nanalo nung date na yan sa Star for a Night. So, double yung victory. Diba? Kasi kaya ganyan kalaki yung reaction ko kasi ang laking hirap, ang laking stress na maging mentor eh. Iba kasi, oo, sobrang stressful sa mga artists. Makikita mo talaga na non-stop yung kanilang pagtatrabaho. Pero ihirap din ang trabaho namin kahit makaupo lang po kami. Kasi dapat tama yung sinasabi mo eh. Nandun dun yung pressure na yun. Kaya, and may mga decision po ako na kailangan gawin sa show. Kasi yun yung learning experience ko sa show eh. Kailangan kong mag-decision for myself. Sinong artist ang magpa-front ng team ko. Recently lang po yan, nag-akasyon, si Teacher Jercel, si Miss Nadine, at saka si Ate Garlic. Kasi si Miss Nadine, diyan ko lang siya nakilala sa trip na yan, na in-sponsor ko ni Dr. Di Bello. Si Teacher Jercel at saka si Ate Garlic, sila na yung consider ko na mga mentors ko, hindi lang sa career, kundi sa buhay na rin. Tutulong sila kung paano maiparating yung kung ano yung pinagdaanan nila sa pinagdadaanan ko. Ito yung mga taong hindi magdadalawang isip na bigyan kita ng oras. A Picture with Ate Juday. Isa sa mga hinahangaan kong actress, pero pagkakasama mo yung taong yun, hindi ipaparamdam sa'yo na drama queen, na isang bigate na artista. Although nandun pa rin yung intimidation ko, syempre, Judy Ann Santos, diba? First encounter ko with her, nung nandito na ako sa industriya, sa birthday ng anak or pamangkin ni Miss Beth Tamayo. Tapos kalaro namin yung mga bata, tapos nandun si Ate Juday. Tapos sinawakan niya yung kamay ko, tapos maggagaganong-ganong kami. Nagulat talaga ako, sabi ko, wow, hinawakan niya yung kamay ko. Grabe, napaka down-to-earth lang na tao. Sobra akong tagahanga, hindi lang kung paano niya tinakbo yung career niya ng napakaayos, kundi yung buhay din niya eh. Bilang anak, bilang asawa ngayon, at bilang nanay naman ngayon. Ang planado lahat, actually.
Everything about her is very special. Makita mo lang yung aura niya, alam mo, special tong batang to. There's something in her that it's very irresistible. Maybe the charm, maybe the good-heartedness, or just maybe because she's just really a true person na nasa shell lang niya. Okay. Mahihain lang talaga yung batang yun. Parang ito lang ako, alam naman niya yun whenever she needs naman someone to talk to. Isang text lang niya sa akin, sagot naman ako, or isang tawag lang niya sa akin.
From the young dreamer who has made the rounds in amateur and professional singing contests, now Sarah has definitely grown as an artist, a performer whose talents continue to shine and inspire new dreamers.
Sarah G is a performer who is so well equipped. She's really come a long way. Professionally, her singing, she's getting better and better and better. She's not afraid to try new genres. That's what I like about her. And if somebody tells her, oh, you try this one, she will adapt to it. She's more refined, she's even better, and she's more outspoken. Well, she's always been a pop star. To everyone, she's a pop star. She's big. She's super big. And I think, oh my God, I'm so swerte that I'm working with her, no? Galing talaga. She's really good.
And when we see Sarah on stage, it's not just all about her talent and vocal prowess. We also see the real Sarah, all her purest and most raw emotions coming up to the surface through each of her performances. For over 10 years, Sarah Geronimo has definitely proven her worth to be called showbiz royalty. We've seen Sarah, the pop star princess, the box office queen, the unstoppable record breaker, who is sure to leave all her audiences enthralled with her talents and charms. This is Sara Geronimo, a real numero uno.
Si Sarah, numero uno because she takes care of her career. Numero uno as a performer because yung passion niya sa career niya nasa ibang level. Numero uno as a person kasi talagang mabait siya.
Sarah kasi is a very well-rounded artist. She acts, she sings. I mean, hindi ako magtataka if she paints. Yung ceiling ng artistry niya, feeling ko hindi niya pa na-reach. I mean, madami pa siyang pwedeng puntahan. I mean, hindi lang sa pagganda, at hindi lang sa pag-arte, kumbaga iba pang fields. Kasi I think Sarah is a born artist eh.
Sara Geronimo is number one forever for the simple reason that she's Sara Geronimo. She's talented, she's a beautiful person inside and out, and there's no question about it.
Hindi ko kasi nakikita yung sarili ko na numero uno. Nakikita ko lang yung sarili ko na isa lang ako sa mga nangangarap na biniyayaan na ng Diyos. Kumbaga, dito sa mga adults sa The Voice na sumasali, ako lang yung nasa unahan, di ba? Ako lang yung nauna sa kanila. Because of hard work, di ba po? Hard work yan eh. Kung may talent ka pero kung wala kang hard work, wala rin.